Hey everyone, welcome back to the FHMB channel. Just a quick one today to show you what I've done to the Haibike FullSeven 4 that's made dramatic improvements. She's now an absolute beast, totally different animal. Let me just give you a quick look what I've done then. Right, so as I said in the previous video, I've upgraded the back tyre to a Schwalbe knobby nick, which gives you loads more grip, which is spot on. And I've now upgraded the front tyre to a Michelin Wild All Mountain, and I've also upgraded the forks to now it's got RockShox Recons 150mm treble, which has improved the riding, the handling, everything. Now it's slackened out the head angle a bit, and it is now a proper all-mountain beast. I absolutely love it. So for, what's it, 250 quid for the shocks, and about 60 quid for the tyres. So for 300 quid, I pretty much upgraded it to the next level of bike, which is 600 quid more minimum. So yeah, absolutely love it. Let's get some footage of me blasting it through the snow. Now let's see if we can get up this hill in the snow. It's going to be difficult. Go. Slidey, slidey. Oh, that was my skill that let us down, not the bike. Right, it's very slippy, very slidey, but I've got confidence in these new tyres and shock. So let's hit the downhill track in the snow and ice. Let's go. Off the drop off of Mount Doom. Whoa, slidey. Jump. Whoa. Foot down in whiplash. Can we get over this squishy buff? Oh, oh, that is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Let's have one more blast and see if I can actually get up the hill this time. Let's conquer Mount Doom. I'll put it in first. I did it in second that time. Here we go. Full power. Go! Come on, go! No. I'm just spinning out the back wheel. Just too slippy. Well, that's me, not the bike. The bike's laughing at me. I thought you could ride, mate. I never said I could ride. I just like having a go. Well, let's drop in again. And in fact, let me put it on full power. Yes. Go! Ring the bell. School's in. Whoa, that is sliding. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, that is sliding. Whoa. 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 Yes. Oh, that's good. Come on, squishy buffet. No. Even though that's frozen solid, it's still super boggy. Well, squishy. Right, we've just arrived at a different cross-country section. This one's near enough completely flat, so I'm just going to have a blast around in the snow and show you how much fun an e-bike is on the flat. Let's crack on. Let's see if we can get around this flat XC track in the snow without coming off. It's a bit of an ask for me. Let's go. Bit slidey. Nice. Through the trees. Bit of a jump. Oh, these uphill bits are so easy. Blasting through. These new tyres are gripping awesome. Suspension and fork working perfectly together. Making me look good, which is a hard job. Oh, this is awesome. This on the acoustic bike is incredibly hard work, but on this bike it's just complete fun. Oh yes. Steady over the broken bridge. Don't want to end up in the stream. The blast. It's just amazing how much a set of tyres changes the performance of your bike. That would be my #1 tip. Get some decent tyres and either go tubeless to cut down on them punches, or like I've got in this, I've got tyre armour inserts, so you can actually run these flat if you do get a puncture. I'm just testing them out, and so far, yeah, they're alright. Oh, bit of a tree here. Can we get over? Yes, easy. Give it a pump with a foot and it pops the front wheel in the air, easy as. Find your head. Tight corners here. Power down, go. Missed the log. And we're back. That is a lap of the flat XC course. Absolutely awesome. Right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for this one. Just a quick update on the upgrades that I've done to the bike. I'll put links in the description for the tyres and the tyre inserts. And that's about it. That's how you make a relatively good bike into an awesome bike. So if you enjoyed this video, give us a like, maybe even subscribe, even get some merch, and I'll catch you in the next one.